french fries? You do? God. So you do like them, eh? You want more? Okay, here's another one. Oh, he likes french fries. I don't believe it. Beige, you want another french fry? Do you? Do you want another french fry? Do you, baby? You do. Your baby. Oh, my God. Colt, you want another one, baby? Colt. Colt, don't pout, baby. Okay. You're sharing with Baze. It's okay. Okay, there. Okay, Baze, this is all I got. Wait, no, I got enough for... You're a funny horsey. Here. I don't think he's sure about it. Oh, God, help me, Lord, help me. All right, Colt. You want... So, like, I don't like the looks of this. I ain't going up there. All right, that's the last one, Colt. I'm giving them the base. Base, yeah, you want a french fry? Okay. God help me. Dude. Hey, you acted like you wanted them. You faked me out. What are you doing that for? Why are you faking me out, man? Fake me out? Now I gotta give them to Colt because Colt eats some. Why did you do that? Here, Colt. You want them, Colt? Okay. Here's a bunch of them. Colt eats everything. Beige just faked me out, y'all. Why did you fake me? You faked me. You listen to the board, man. Oh, help me.